Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 55,383 miles, this stone-white, 2008 Chrysler Point Cruiser equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.